Imagine you're a short-term investor waiting for your next big opportunity, but in the meantime, your money is just sitting idle in your savings account. Wouldn't it be great if your cash could earn returns while you're not actively investing? That's where ETFs based on the Nifty One-Day Rate Index can come in handy. These ETFs are a great way to earn potential returns on your unused cash. You can park your money in them, let it generate returns, and access it whenever you need. It's an easy way to make your idle cash work for you while waiting for the right investment opportunity. The best part? You can withdraw your money anytime without any extra fees, since there's no exit load. These ETFs invest in one-day maturity instruments like tri-party repo, government securities repo, and reverse repo. These are short-term, lower-risk debt securities that generate daily interest. An ETF works like a basket of securities that you can trade on an exchange, just like stocks. However, for ETFs based on the Nifty One-Day Rate Index, the underlying securities are fixed income investments that earn daily interest, which then impacts the ETF's price or net asset value. Let's take a closer look at the features and benefits. These ETFs invest in overnight securities, which generally offer low risk and high liquidity. You can trade them throughout the day at market prices, just like you would with stocks. Additionally, these ETFs offer two options: Growth NAV and Dividend NAV. Growth NAV reinvests the interest earned into the fund, which increases the NAV over time, while Dividend NAV distributes interest as regular payouts. With the Growth NAV option, these ETFs can be more tax efficient since taxes are only applied when you sell the units, leading to higher after-tax returns. Plus, there's no securities transaction tax, STT, involved with these ETFs. ETFs based on the Nifty One-Day Rate Index are an appealing option for short-term traders and low-risk investors alike, offering various use cases. Grow Mutual Fund has recently introduced an ETF based on this index called Grow Nifty One-Day Rate Liquid ETF, with an AFO period from September 16th to September 20th. You can check out the full details of this scheme on your screen. Before you consider investing, make sure to read the related scheme documents and consult with your financial advisor. Let us know your thoughts on liquid ETFs in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and remember, mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully.